कि पानी है मंजिल तो राहों का होना ही होगा, कि पानी है मंजिल तो राहों का होना ही होगा, कुछ पाने के लिए ज़िंदगी में कुछ खोना ही होगा, कि बिना संघर्ष किसे मिलती है कामयाबी यहाँ, कि बिना संघर्ष किसे मिलती है कामयाबी यहाँ, जब तक लक हो धरती पे तब तक ज़िंदगी का बोझ ढोना ही होगा। सो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज,
Good morning.
my name is Nisha. Today is our presentation session. You know guys, what is presentation? Presentation is a very good session for our speaking improve and body language eye contacts. But one point is also available in the presentation session. Everybody explain any topics. Firstly you imagination, then explanation, it is presentation. So आज मैं एक ऐसे किला के बारे में, लाल किला के बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ, जो कि अगर आप जाते हैं वहाँ देखने तो आपको लाल दुल्हन की तरह सिर्फ दिखेगा और नो एनीथिंग लुक। सो क्या आप लोग गेस करना चाहेंगे मेरा टॉपिक? Oh, you are right. My topic is a Red Fort. It means Lal Killa. I going to talk about Red Fort. First of all, Red Fort is a historical place because it is very historical and it is built at 6038 but complete 6048. Approx 10 years take this buildings and it is built by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan is a very famous person because ago times of king. That's the main reason any person respect him. And Shah Jahan is a king and Red Fort is only for red. And you know guys, it is available in the Delhi. But now time it is available in the Delhi. But past time available in the old Delhi. So I want to speak one study. So listen carefully. कि तिरछी नज़र से उन्होंने जब हमको देखा, हाय मैं तो मदहोश हो गई। जब तिरछी नज़र से उन्होंने हमको देखा मैं तो मदहोश हो गई। जब हमें पता लगा कि उनकी नज़र ही तिरछी थी, हाय मैं तो बेहोश हो गई। So I again come in the points. Really, you know guys, Red Fort is a really historical place, and you know now time also available anything available in the Red Fort because past times anything just like a king of cloths and talwar, it means talwar and gun and anything old things available now times in the Red Fort. And if you go look for going wandering in the Red Fort, then you look box of mirror under keep the old things, and everything is available in the Red Fort. And Red Fort is a very old place because and Shah Jahan is what is Shah Jahan. You know guys, Red Fort under the 4 door available, but use them only for 1 door because 3 door I don't know what reasons close the 3 door, but 1 door is used for the entry and anything you take and go this entry. You know guys, this entry gate name is what? No. Oh, this gate name is the Lahori Gate. Lahori. This gate is very famous, and you know what? Delhi under the one chowk, Chandni Chowk. You know? Yeah. It is very famous, and Lahori Gate opposite side. This Chandni Chowk is available. Maybe this chowk is very famous in the Delhi, and this gate is very famous, and Lahori Gate under the one fair is take, and this fair name is Chhatta Mela, Chhatta Market. This but this name is Hindi language Chhatta Market, and anything available. What I say, I forget, but I remember. But one time Shah Jahan is. You know guys, just like it is a Red Fort, and you know boundary. Hello everyone, listen me. What you know boundary? What is boundary? Just like it is Red Fort and it's under the boundary. That time this Red Fort is built. That time no any wandering, but one time wandering is built. That time Shah Jahan is kidnapped in the Agra. That time kidnapped Shah Jahan in the Agra, but Shah Jahan is kidnapped but wrote one letter in the Aurangzeb. That this letter name is this letter under this types of point write Shah Jahan. Please listen carefully. This letter under what wrote it means बेटा दीवार बनाकर मानो तुमने किसी किले के दुल्हन के चेहरे पे घूंघट डाल दिया है. This types of letter wrote. You know guys, it is very critical situation. It is very critical situation that if you kidnapped it, then this person wrote a one letter. So that is that is main reason. And you know this bonding name is घूंघट वाली दीवार. This name is very attractive, just like you know. And I want to one also say because I feel hot. That's the main reason. कि ना मुस्कुराने को दिल करता है, कि ना मुस्कुराने को दिल करता है, ना मौज मनाने को दिल करता है, कि ना मुस्कुराने को दिल करता है, ना मौज मनाने को मन करता है. गर्मी अब हद से पार हो चुकी है, कि गर्मी अब हद से पार चुकी है. सारा प्रेजेंटेशन छोड़कर कल्लू मनाली जाने को मन करता है. So I again come in the points. Listen, what you know guys, what reason only for keep the name Red Forts? Have you idea? No, because Red Fort only for build with the red bricks. That's the main reason only for keep the name Red Forts. I have a one song on the Red Forts, I think, but maybe this song is not good. Okay, this song is just like Bhojpuri type. Okay. कि लाल कलर में तू किला लागेला, तू ता दिल्ली के सिला लागेला, कि तोरा जैसन कोनो दूजा नहीं खे, कि तहरा जैसन कोनो दूजा नहीं खे, देखे वाला के ई कमी नहीं खे, आवन जावन इ त लागल रहेला, कि लाल कलर में तू किला लागेला, तू ता आगरा के सान लागेला. According to me, this place is very historical. I want to also I quote explain कि चिंगारी अंगारों से कम नहीं होती, कि चिंगारी अंगारों से कम नहीं होती, सादगी सुंदरता से कम नहीं है. ये तो देखने वालों की नजरिया होती है जनाब, कि ये तो देखने वालों की नजरिया होती है, वरना गांव की लड़कियां भी किसी से कम नहीं होती.